Ordering your drink.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
Hi there. What can I get for you? Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a latte, please? Hi, can I get a latte, please?
Of course. Anything else? Of course. Anything else?
No, that's it for now. No, that's it for now.
What size would you like? What size would you like?
What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large. Small, medium, and large.
I'll go with a medium. I'll go with a medium.
Would you like that hot or iced? Would you like that hot or iced?
Iced, please. Iced, please.
Got it. One iced latte. Got it. One iced latte.
Perfect, thanks. Perfect, thanks.
For here or to go? For here or to go?
To go, please. To go, please.
No problem. I'll put it in a to-go cup. No problem. I'll put it in a to-go cup.
Great, thank you. Great, thank you.
Can I get a name for the order? Can I get a name for the order?
It's Mia. MIA. It's Mia. MIA.
Thanks, Mia. It'll be ready in a minute. Thanks, Mia. It'll be ready in a minute.
Awesome. Awesome.
Medium iced latte for Mia. Medium iced latte for Mia.
That's me. Thank you so much. That's me. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Have a great day. Enjoy. Have a great day.
You too. You too. What can I get for you? Can I get a latte, please? That's it for now. What sizes do you have? I'll go with a medium. Hot or iced? Got it. For here or to go? To go, please. Can I get a name for the order? It's Mia. MIA. That's me. Have a great day, you too.